Okay. What we need is 2 pieces of sedap, neighboring, noodle. Huwag mo akong okay. Set aside the condiments from the noodles. And then what you need is you need to again separate the condiments and make sure you cut it into few pieces, the noodles. That way it's actually easy. Then pour boiled oil, boiled water. Apologies. Then turn on the gas stove.
It's okay. Ano ulit ngayon?
But at least it's very real. Oh. Okay. Boil it for a few minutes. 3 minutes actually. Put the lid on. While we're boiling the noodles, we are going to crack the egg. 3 pieces of egg.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of salt. Ayaw gumana. Okay. Put a little bit of salt.
yung nag-prepare ka tapos mamaya sabihin mo hindi gumana.
Put a little bit of cracked pepper. Okay. Bit the egg.
Ano to?
Bit the egg. Included yung jokes. Ano ka ba?
Akala ko, sabihin mo, iba't iba.
Okay. Right. Then, what we're gonna do is, we need to get a frying pan. So we can... Hindi yan. Late na siya. Huwag mo na ito i-video. Okay. Okay. Mainit eh. Hindi kaya ng powers ko. Okay. Sit aside. Put the frying pan. Wait. And then use
ano yan, oil?
it's olive oil. Just a little bit of olive there. Wait, when it's hot, then you can put the garlic and the onion. In the meantime, I need to wash my hand. Huwag mo na isama yung hand ko.
Siguro isama ko pa ba?
Huh? Actually, dapat ikaw nagluluto dyan eh. Oh,
Sige na!
Kasi na, ituturo ko sa'yo. Okay. Spatula. Put the garlic.
Hindi pa nagsisal pa.
Mag-sizzle din yan. Just be patient. Hindi ko naman masyadong galit. Onions. Put the onions. Of course. Sedap. You better accept us. Okay.
Nag-ano na.
Then put the egg. Tapos lahatin mo na masusunod na yung mga itlog dyan.
Ano pa? Ayan na, naupag ko na. Ayan na.
Okay, put the nose. Okay, di pala. Di pala. Masyado malaki, hindi kasha. Okay, strain it. Make sure it's very dry. Dali lang to. 5 minutes lang. It's done. Make sure. Okay. Put the pechay. I have no idea what it is in English, but pechay,
Basta
pechay.
yung bitcha yan.
It's the same thing. Yan. Para, ano, healthy naman yung luto ng noodles. Mix it.
Okay na yan. sabi,
Okay na.
sabi dun sa ano yung ano, sino na nga ano yun, gagawin yun, okay na yan.
Then, you can now add the condiments, which is, and the oil.
Oil bite. Okay, okay na yun.
If you wanted spicy, then you have to add it all. Otherwise, you can just add the oil and the soy. But I actually like a little bit of spice. Okay. Make sure that you actually mix it all together. There you go. Tada! Tapos na.
Nagulat sa ate P.
Baka wala naman na yung kamay ko.
Nagulat sa ate P. Akala niya ko.
Yummy, tama may yummy.
Of course, it's yummy, yummy. Look, very healthy pancit canton. Courtesy by Sedap. May Sedap. You can use white rice, or you can actually put it into sliced bread or pandesal. Actually, I like it with bread.
Yeah.
Because rice is too much carbo already, and noodles is so best to actually use, or best with pandesal, especially malunggay pandesal. Yeah. Now it's done. Vegetables. There.
Here's the final. Ayan na, ready to eat na yan.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Sarap. Ang init. Smells good.
Hindi ka pwede mag-taste ng mga... Pero okay lang yan. Ano ka ba?
It's so yummy.
Really good.
Come. Yummy.
I taste it all ano din. Ako din. Hindi, okay din, Tife. Kumain natin. Masarap.
Paano mo lang